Hey guys, I was going to show you how to upload your folders. So if you are saving them in your OneDrive, that's the easiest way to share stuff. And then once you're in Teams, when you click File, you can click these little three dots here and then click Open in SharePoint. And kind of the same thing opens up, it's just in a different location. And then from here, you can upload the file or folder that you want to link up with your Teams channel. So I don't know, there's a billion things. So like I could add this and then click upload, and it will upload everything that I want, even though I don't want to do that. So I'm not going to do that because that will take forever. But let me find something with like less things in it. Let's just try this one. So upload lesson plans, and we'll upload these. And then you can see right here, and it's uploaded. And then when you go back to Teams and you just refresh the page, it's right here and everything's loaded, and then they're linked. So like anytime I add more files to this folder, it will automatically link up. And also, if you didn't know, in CTLS, if you're sharing a link from your OneDrive to CTLS, if you make updates to that document, it automatically updates to CTLS too, which is pretty cool. So anyway, hope that helps. Bye.